Hey guys, welcome to today's video and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to share with you my top 5 product recommendations under 500 rupees or $5. And yes, this video is very much inspired by none other than our very own Shreya Jain, and she uploads these videos and I love watching them, so I just decided to do my version of it. And today I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite products. Those are under 500 rupees or $5. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And you guys, if you want me to create a series like top 5 under 100, 200, even 1,000 rupees, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be more than happy to turn it into a series for you all. So yeah, let's just start with the first recommendation that I have, and this is from the brand Essence, and this is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And you guys have no idea how many tubes of this I have already finished up, and this is a brand new tube. And you guys, when it comes to mascaras, I hardly go high-end because there are so many good options at the drugstore these days, and this is like one of the best mascaras that I have ever tried, and this is under $5 or under 500 rupees. This gives your lashes volume, length, and it lasts all day long. They have one like waterproof version as well. I do not like to use waterproof mascaras, but I love this one, and whenever I use this mascara, I can confidently skip my false lashes. This mascara is legit good, you guys, so definitely give it a try. And you guys, when I was browsing through Nykaa's website, I noticed that so many brands have increased their prices. I'm pretty much sure I paid like 300, 400 rupees for those products, and now they are for like 600, 700 rupees. And I was like, when did that happen? So finding good products under 500 rupees is really difficult these days, but it's not impossible. There are some bomb products. And my second recommendation is again from Essence, and this is their blush, and this is the shade Beloved, 40 Beloved. These blushes are again under 500 rupees or $5. This formula, you guys, it is legit. It is a good formula. Let me just show you the pigmentation. Though it is a very affordable blush, but the packaging, it's not flimsy at all. It's a really sturdy packaging, and look at the shade. It's a very nice soft pink shade, and it is perfect for all skin tone. And let me just show you with the pigmentation. Oh, it is so soft, so smooth, and look at the pigmentation over here. And when you apply it on your cheeks, they never go blotchy or patchy at all, and the pigmentation is there. They apply smoothly, and it is a matte blush. It doesn't have any shimmer or glitter particles in it, which I absolutely love, and lasts for a really long time. And this is what I am wearing today on my cheeks, and you can see it's so pretty. It complements my skin tone, and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend you to try these blushes if you haven't already. You can see how stunning this shade is looking on my cheeks, right? Do not sleep on these blushes, you guys. These are so super good, and I'm sure you are going to love them. My next recommendation is a makeup brush, and I know you guys have been asking me for a while to share with you my favorite brushes for beginners, and that video is coming up pretty soon, so please stay with me. And the brush that I am talking about is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is my e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter brush, and this retails for 450 rupees, and this is a multitasker. And if you have this brush in your collection, you are going to enjoy it, and you can use it for different purposes. For example, if you want to set your under eye area, you can definitely do that. If you want to apply your blush with it, you can definitely do that. And of course, you can use it for your highlighter. And the bristles, it is so soft, and I have this brush in my collection for over like 5 years at this point, and I still love it. I still enjoy it, and I have washed it multiple times. No shading, no feathering at all, and the shape is still intact, and I still use it for my blushes, for my setting powders, for my highlighters, even for my bronzers. Trust me, if you have this brush in your collection and if you are a beginner and you do not want to invest in so many makeup brushes, just grab this one and you will be good to go. Definitely check it out. The next product is, I feel like, super underrated and highly anybody is talking about them and I do not know why. And I am talking about these lipsticks from Wet n Wild. These are their matte lipstick, like color icon matte lipsticks, and I have so many shades of them. And this is the shade Cinnamon Spice and this is the shade Mauve Outer here. I think I have almost all shades from this collection. This is their matte version, but in my opinion they give you kind of satin matte finish. And to be very honest, I haven't found any bullet lipstick that is like 100 transfer proof. This is a bullet lipstick, but this is like a really long lasting lipstick. In my opinion, they last on my lips for up to 4 to 5 hours. They're very smooth, very pigmented, and just look at the pigmentation. It's like one swipe pigmentation, and this is a very comfortable matte formula. These days I do not really like super duper drying lipsticks, and they do not dry out my lips at all, and they last pretty well. They have so many shades, and these are for like $2 or 325 rupees. And look at the shade over here, very pigmented, and the packaging is so cute at the same time. Definitely check these lipsticks out. Like, forget about your high-end lipsticks, just go and grab these lipsticks and I am sure you are going to love them. Next, I have here a super affordable product that I got for like 295 rupees or something like that, like 2-3 years ago, and I still love it. And I am talking about the Sivanna Colors Shimmer Brick Highlighter, and this retails for 495 rupees, but I'm sure you can get it on discount like for 300 rupees or so. This is the shade 02. I do have the shade 04 as well. That was kind of like pinkish shade, and I got mine from Amazon. You guys, these highlighters, it's like high-end, super smooth, super gorgeous, blinding. You can mix all those shades together, or you can just use one shade. You can use it as a blush topper or a bronzer topper as well. These are so good. These are super smooth, does not emphasize any texture. These are not like glittery at all. And when I want that Baba Boom highlighter, like I want to go there, I use it and it looks stunning. It's, if you prefer like soft and subtle kind of highlight, this is not for you, because this is a very blinding, very pigmented highlighter. And if you are into this type of highlighters, like that super glowy cheeks, definitely check these highlighters out. These are inexpensive, the quality is there, and I am sure you are going to love. So yeah, there you have it guys. These are my top 5 products under 500 rupees or $5. Let me know what product is your favorite, and if you want me to try a product that is your favorite, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to try it out, and I would love to feature it in my upcoming videos. So please let me know what is your favorite product under 500 rupees. So yeah, if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then definitely do follow me there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.